first things first, there's not going to be any more intruder videos for a while. That bike went to a good cause. That's why I haven't been doing any videos for it. Just charity type of situation. It is what it is. However, I do have another friend who decided that he wanted a cruiser, but he couldn't get away from the appeal of the fat tire rear end that he was accustomed to riding around on sport bikes. So he was looking for something to accommodate that kind of style, but move him into the cruiser world because, you know, like me and many other riders, he's getting older. So he decided to go with the Victory Hammer, and however, he wanted me to customize it a little bit more to give it a little more of a European type flair. So this is the new project. I'm not going to get too much into, as I go through this build, I'm not going to get too much into the tear down or even a lot of the engine rebuilds and things like that, because of the folks that are out there who've already done it, like in past videos where I give hat tips to folks like Hagar and others. I'll do the same thing in this when it comes time for speaking about engine performance mods or certain types of things along those lines, electrical upgrades or the like. I'll just give a hat tip in that direction and kind of skip over those things, because I'll let those subject matter experts who I'm learning from or who I've already adopted those techniques, I'll just push you in their direction because they deserve the credit for what I've learned. And then I'll concentrate on the things that I'm doing, and I'll show those things that are new that I haven't found any information on, and I'll show you that. So to start off with, you probably noticed the bike in the back. That's a custom Victory cross country that I have. That's my bike. I'll do some video on that later. Right now I'm waiting on a instant up air ride from HMD 520. If you're not familiar with them, that's Heavy Metal Designs 520. I highly recommend, if you have a Victory, to visit the website for them. It's hmd520.com. Lots of great products on there if you want to customize your Victory, particularly cross country and visions. Plenty of options on there to really expand the look of that bike. So I'll do some video on that to show you some of the things that I'm doing to change even more of the look of that bike to upgrade it. But for now, we're going to focus on the Victory Hammer and the changes that we're going to do on this as we go along. So this one I picked up just recently. It's a yard ornament for a long while is what it was. I think for about two and a half years in the Arizona sun. So today I washed it off, got it all cleaned up. The next thing I'm going to do is get a battery, stick the battery in it, see if we can't get it to start up, make sure that it's running solidly, it's not leaking anywhere. I haven't found any evidence of any leaks or anything, but want to see what's generally going on with the motorcycle. And then from there, start having a discussion with the actual owner of the bike to figure out the direction of the specific modifications and bolt-ons that we're looking to obtain and start adding on the motorcycle. So there's a lot to come. The great news about these motorcycles is they're not very complicated. Manual clutch, no hydraulic system on these. Anyway, there's a lot to come, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Can't wait to play with it. We'll see what happens. All right, and that'll be it. So looking forward to it. We'll talk to you some more, and don't forget, make the time.